Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. So me loving a great park in the middle of a city didn't just happen. This has been with me for decades. I can literally say decades. So I started working here, and this is the Woolworth building in downtown New York in 1991. And this is the park that is directly across the street. And you can't see it because behind me is so much foliage, but it's a very mature park, much different than the parks in Charlotte that are in Uptown. And that's because, you know, Charlotte, even though Charlotte is an old place, it's a relatively new city. So a lot of things have been recently planted and built up. But here, as you can see, things have been here for many years. But it's just nostalgic for me to be here, and it's an honor for me to be able to share this with at least one of my 3 children, and showing my youngest of 3 my old stomping ground. But I'm not quite sure the name of this park, but it is off of Broadway downtown, and like I said, across the street from the historical Woolworth building. Oh, I had an amazing experience professionally and personally in this building. That firm was great to its employees, and I appreciate all the things that I learned while working there. But I just wanted to share this park with you so you will know I am not new to this. I'm true to this. This is what I love. Yeah, I need to find a nice city to relocate to. I don't know, New York, you're looking good. Want to enjoy this day with you. And the World Trade Center is just beyond those buildings. How beautiful this is. But yeah, we would come out here and, just periodically during the day, or for my 2.5-hour lunch, I might come out here and just sit and relax, enjoy a beautiful spring day, Yeah, this park definitely had seen me quite a bit. Lots of pigeons and squirrels in this park. And we actually saw a young lady knelt. She was kneeling down, and a squirrel was coming up to her, and she was extending her hand to it. It was crazy. I mean, I don't know if I want to get that close. Those were 2 pigeons flying by just now. Let's look around and then go to the train station. Let me see how close the courthouse is to. City Hall Park. That's the name of it. I don't think I ever knew that. So the name of the park we were just sitting in is City Hall Park. There's Pace University, part of their campus. The entrance for the Brooklyn Bridge. FDR Drive. There it is. Yep, Spruce Street. I am downtown. For those of you who know the different parts of New York, I'm sure if you're from Brooklyn, seeing the Brooklyn Bridge sign, you're probably getting a little homesick. New York City Hall.
Oh no.
Yeah, after 9/11, people were running across this bridge to get to the bridge.
That we were going to the bathroom with conflict.
Everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you are not yet part of this team. I invite you now to hit the subscribe button and the bell for notification so that when I record and upload, you will be notified. I appreciate you for taking the time out and seeing my point of view of downtown New York. There's more to come, so stay tuned.